the age of Chloe's dad is less than three times Chloe's age. The sum of their ages is 77. Find their ages. So write the equations and solve them. Okay, so let's do it. We're supposed to let X be Chloe. I wish they would just use C. And Y is Chloe's dad. I wish they'd use D for dad. That'd be easier, but it's all right. I'll quit complaining. So let's do it. So Chloe's dad, that's Y, right? Y, yeah, is equals 3 less. Remember that at minus 3 at the back, right? Then 3 times Chloe, that's 3x. There's the first equation. Y equals 3x minus 3, like that. The second equation is going to be the sum of their ages is 77. Well, that's easy. X plus Y is 77. So there's our 2 equations. So I want you to write the 2 equations down here and then solve them. Okay, how do we solve these? Well, I think you can tell. I think you know. We're going to grab one equation and plug it into the other. Because Y is already alone. So basically when one letter is already alone in one equation, it's easy just to plug that into the other equation. So I'll do it that way. I'm not going to do the addition method or anything like that. I only do the addition method, the cancel elimination method, when they're lined up. X is over X's, Y is over Y's, numbers over numbers. That's when I do that. But this one, it's easier to plug one equation into the other because Y is already alone. So then what do you get? This becomes X plus, and then what is Y? 3x minus 3 equals 77. That makes sense right here. I plugged in 3x minus 3. All right, let's finish it up. X plus 3x, that's 1x and 3x. That's 4x, isn't it? And then add the 3 to both sides. Like that. Cancel, cancel. Bring down the force, 4x equals, and this is 80. Last step, divide by 4. And X is 20. So X is Chloe's age. There's our 20. And then just plug that in. So I'll just say, okay, got this right here. Plug in. X equals 20. And you can plug that in anywhere you want. Once you get one answer, just plug it in anywhere you want. I'm going to grab this equation right here where we've already got Y alone. Since we want Y, right? We already have X, we want Y. Might as well go to the equation that already has Y alone. That'll be easier. Plug in the 20 for X there. Y equals 3 times 20 minus 3. So Y equals 60 minus 3. Y equals 57. Dad's 57. So there we go. So we just directly wrote the 2 equations. The dad is Y equals 3 less than 3 times Chloe, 3x minus 3. And the sum of their ages, they add it to be 77. I plug one equation into the other because Y is already alone. Plug it in, solve for X, and then plug that in anywhere to solve for Y. There we go.